Hello everyone, this is Devansh Kaushik, sharing a submission for assignment 3 Docker configuration. So let me just first close this. So I have made 3 containers basically. I'll show how it works. So I have made 3 containers and PHP files of Apache using Apache Web Server. One has Apache Web Server and other has an SQL. So this is the Docker for Apache, where I would be installing Apache and PHP on it, and then the SQL one where I set the root password and then the root as root password and then my user and tiger basically. So I would be accessing unit the connect PHP, connect.php file. So my user tiger, since I already know the credentials basically, I'm not making the user authentication here. I'll just insert the data and then retrieve the data. So I'll insert into users and then I'll select star from user and then print them accordingly. Alright, so if I show it to you here, docker compose up and then I go to localhost. So yeah, this is running and I go to enter, suppose Somesh and then Somesh and then gmail.com and I enter his CGPA of 8.9. So it shows data inserted successfully, and then if I try to retrieve the data, I get all these entries, and here is Somesh at @gmail.com and 8.9. So I can access it from the host. Now to show it how I can access it from another container, basically the third container. So I made another container which is called, just a second, this con m22005_3. To show how this works, what I'll do is, oh, I'm already in this. Just a second. So the container is already running. So let me just yeah. So it is already running. To access it, exit itm/bin/bash. So here I can access the container. Now it's an Ubuntu image. To show how I did that, oh, I can't show it right now. So let me just first show how I can access the container. I basically started the two, I've added them to the network using, I created a network called Licious, and then I went into Docker run and then created container for all these containers. So I created an Apache container of try2 server and Apache container, SQL container for this DB, and then I made the container using where's the command? Let me show. Yes, docker run-it, name this, and from the network listeners, and then an Ubuntu image. Okay, so curl http to access the container. I can go apache-container here. So it prints the index file. So I can basically query add data using the insert PHP and then query into it. Basically in this link, then I'll go and then add the query. Okay, but for now it is printing only. So yeah, I can access the index files. I don't know how to retrieve them, but I can insert them from the query of the link itself, and I can access this from the host file as I showed before. So yeah, this is the submission for the assignment 3. Thank you.